Hey Bestie, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. I am so grateful and super excited that you are joining in for an unboxing with me today. So in this video, you guys, as you can tell by the title, we will be talking all about the new Be Happy Box from the Happy Planner. And it looks like, as you can tell, it's a Stargazer theme. So if you want to know more about all the goods that's in this box, then you already know. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so here's the box. This is it, and it says follow the stars on the front. And like, look at the stars, you guys. Okay, so we got some Stargazer here. So I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna cut this, and we will see if I can do it with my little dull. Yep, I think my dull X-Acto knife is going to work. Okay, so let me see if I can get the sides, because I believe they taped it really good. All right. Oh, I still got this side. Okay, y'all, I know this is a very popular line with the Happy Planner, so I'm excited just for my besties, because I know some of you guys have been asking, like, are they gonna re-release Stargazer? So as you can see, it says the Happy Planner. And then we're gonna flip it over. I hope there's nothing in here that I just kind of messed up, but they package it pretty well, you guys. Okay, first off, let's check out the box, okay? Listen, my most favorite thing about Stargazer, you guys, is the purple, okay? It's the one time that I just know they're gonna do purple disc. They're gonna do purple planner, purple something. So the purple is just calling me, and this box is purple. Okay, just one moment for that. Just okay, no, but seriously, you guys. Okay, so we got our little paper here, and got a little sticker. Okay. I try not to tear these, y'all, but I've already torn this one because I kind of went in on it. Okay, so let's open it. All right, then. So first up, it says to the stars, or keep looking to the stars. Got our little card here, and it's got some moons and stars on it. And then here's everything that's included in the box, you guys. So we kind of got like some disc, a classic notebook, some vinyl stickers, a heartstone, dashboard, large sticker pack, skinny classic notepad. Okay, so let's just see. Let's see all the goodies, y'all. Okay, so this looks like the heartstone. I believe it says it is a rose quartz, excuse me, heartstone. Okay, so that's pretty. Then we got, I have the power to change. Yes, I do. And it's a notepad, y'all, and I want to, like, ooh, oh, these are like the affirmation cards. Okay, because I was like, what is this? I thought it was a sticky note at first. Like, say that didn't look like a sticky note. Just saying, sticky notepad. But so I'm gonna open it so we can kind of like read them. But I believe they are affirmations. And this one says, I have the power to change. I have, excuse me, y'all. I have the power to create change. I am doing my best, and that is always enough. Wow, okay. I believe in the person I am becoming. I approve of myself and love myself deeply and completely. I am in charge of how I feel, and today I am choosing happiness. I have the power to change my thoughts. I live in the present and am confident of the future. I deserve my thoughts and actions without judging them. I observe. Y'all, literally, can I read? I can read, y'all. Okay, I observe my thoughts and actions without judging them. I am grounded in the experience of the present moment. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. Yes, I am. Just saying. With every breath, I release stress from my body. Okay. I choose to be proud of myself. I accept and embrace all experiences, even unpleasant ones. By allowing myself to be happy, I inspire others to be happy as well. Yes. Creative energy surges through me and leads me to new and brilliant ideas. I know exactly what I need to do to achieve success. I am superior to negative thoughts and low actions. Come on now. I trust myself and know my inner wisdom is my best guide. Okay, so those are affirmation cards, you guys, and I just wanted to show y'all what they say, just in case y'all were interested. I mean, you know. All right, so then we have a decal, you guys, and it says, look to the stars with shimmering eyes. Okie dokie. And then this looks like a notepad. Yes, it is a notepad. I won't pull it out, but it's already pre-punched. So, and well, I said I wasn't gonna pull it out. I'm gonna pull it out. Y'all just bear with me, okay? Bestie, we gotta check out all the stuff so y'all can know what y'all, you know, what y'all looking at. And I can know too, because this is my first time seeing it. Okay, so yeah, it's a notepad, and it does say magic begins within on it. So it's like a little clip in, like a punch in notepad. So that's nice. I actually like that, because sometimes I like that it's gum too for some reason. Okay, and then we have a dashboard, you guys, and it has all the phases of the moon. So all my babes that are like into this, like this is kind of like, I just never knew the phases of the moon, but definitely, you know, educational. And it has like new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter action, waxing. Y'all, I have no clue, but I know that I have some besties that like love the Stargazer line, so I'm excited for you guys, because I didn't know if they were gonna re-release it, and I already see you guys what I know I'm going to use. Okay, look at this, you guys. It's a big sticker pad, and it's Stargazer. It has 354 pieces in it, and it's some sticker sheets, some big ones. Oh, okay, just a little sneak peek, but y'all see that? Okay, we're gonna flip through it in just a second, so hold on. But y'all see this? Okay, like these little, and they're moon. Oh, I didn't realize that they have the moon shape in between them. But I love the purple. I mean, they always give this purple color with the Stargazer line, and it's my favorite color ever. Just saying. It's my favorite. Y'all just don't mind me, but I love me some purple. Okay, and then we have our notebook. This is so pretty, y'all. Like, literally, it is really pretty. Y'all see that? Do y'all see them discs? Y'all, do y'all see those discs? Those discs are everything. Okay, it says, look at the magic around you. And then, oh, look at the gal. Y'all, that's pretty. That is pretty. Just saying, that is so pretty. Yeah. We're gonna kind of look at this in just a little bit. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it, because you know what? Let's just go ahead and open it up. Oh, I'm so excited about these. Oh, this is so pretty, y'all. And I know y'all are just, if y'all love purple too, y'all screaming at the camera. Just saying. Okay, so looks like it has, okay, I'm back. It looks like, here's our inside, and it's a happy notes, you guys. So it says, be the energy you want to attract. And it just kind of got like some stars and like moon, and then like some little detail down the side, and then some lined paper. But I just wanted to open it up to show y'all, you know, we know what the happy notes looks like, so what they tend to look like. And then here's like those moon phases as well. Okay, and then we got, let's see, live by the sun and love by the moon. All right. Y'all, like, I can't get over this. This is just gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So gorgeous. Okay. And these discs. Just saying. Those discs. Okay, so let's flip through the Stargazer big sticker pack. And that's so nice that they put this in an actual like Be Happy box, like a big one. So, you know, that's different. Okay, so let me zoom in right quick. Okay, you guys. So like I said, it has 354 pieces in it. And just off top, these full stickers. So they have some quotes. Of course, they say, feed your soul, don't lose your fire, be a seeker of every day. Just different, like, you know, quotes. Free spirit, you are magic, wild and free, trust your heart. And then we have like some more moons, sparkles, suns, some little crystals here, some smaller ones. I hope you guys can tell like the difference in the sizes. Yes, I hope so. Then we got some more quotes, and I'm gonna zoom in on this because this might be a little bit harder to see, but just some more quotes, you guys, and more sparkles and everything. Okay, and then we got the phases of the moon, follow the stars. And then we got some more power to change my thoughts, you are magic, dreamer. And we got live by the sun, love by the moon. I choose to be proud of myself. And like, look at this hand. Okay, and then we got more quotes, y'all. So, okay, let me zoom in a little bit so y'all can kind of see. They're like lengthy quotes. Oh, these are affirmations. Excuse me. These are affirmations, y'all. Okay. So, y'all see, like, okay. And then we get them. Those were silver foil. These are in color. And they're all clear. So, nothing's paper yet. Well, we get to a paper page. And we got some boxes, some washi strips, and some bullet points. Ooh, look at the purple, you guys. Pink and purple. That's nice. Oh, and we get like this color. See, these were foil here, as y'all can tell, but this is not. This is matte. Or just regular paper, I guess you should say. And it's that blue teal kind of color. Blue and teal color palette. And then we get these circle stickers that are paper as well. And they say things like some other quotes, wild and free, be kind, just be yourself. We get them in a smaller and bigger size. And then we get a weekly intentions page that has like these little pointed boxes on them. And I'll just kind of zoom in on that as well for you guys. And that is the end of that sticker book. So just like, I mean, I can see what people can really do with this. I'm trying to think. You know, all the creative ideas are about to flow. Okay, so that's so nice. So let's see what we got in the box, you guys. Again, we have this lovely notebook. And then we got our large sticker notebooks. These are the large stickers. I say notebook. Large sticker book. And then these purple discs. Just saying. And then we get a dashboard in the box. We also get this notepad. We get a little rose quartz. And then a little rose quartz stone. We also get these affirmation cards. And we get a die cut. And yes, you guys, our little note card that comes with it. So I feel like that's a ton of stuff. Like a few goodies, like, you know, that come in this box. So that's so exciting. Okay, so yeah, you guys, that is it for the Stargazer box. Please see my description below. I'll have all the details for when this lunch is going for preview, as well as when it goes live. And you can definitely pick this up, in any coupon codes and all of that stuff. I'll have it down below, the price and all that good stuff. So yes, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please let me know below if you are a Stargazer fan. I want to know who are my Stargazers in my besties, like in my bestie community. I love you guys, so I want to know what you like. So share with me below. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I can't wait to chat with you. Thank you for being so sweet and so kind. And until next time, I love you. Bye.